Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is another one of Tony's Tidbits. And what I'm going to do today is sort of give you a quick overview and rundown of the new bed set that we bought for our daughter. She's turning 3. She's very excited about her new bed, and we've actually have been having to lay in bed with her, or maybe just like sit down with her before she goes to sleep or before she falls asleep. So we're hoping that when we buy her new bed set, we'll tell her she's a big girl, and then be able to go to bed on her own, and without us being there or without us being there. So what we bought is a new bed set, and it's from Living Spaces. You will find the link in the description below, and I'm pretty impressed so far on the quality, the quality of the material, how it's structured. It's solid pieces of wood. It's very apparent that it's well done. And really the difference between something like this and something from another store that you would have frustration on putting the furniture together is not more than $100. And for that $100, this thing seems to be very well made, going to be able to last for much more longer than what another maybe company would provide. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna move, let's see. I'm gonna stop this video, and then we're gonna go in and show you the build. Here you can see I've already unboxed the bed set. Here's the headboard, and you can see this is really really nicely done. Complete piece of wood there. You can see I have the foam there so it doesn't scratch the wall. And then what we have here are the side rails. And if you look at this piece here, it's metal. That is great. I love that it's one piece. I love that on the side here, that's where the screws are going to go. And it's just going to match up to the headboard here, which is also metal, and be able to attach to. One other thing you would notice though is on the side rails there is specific locations for the slats, and this is awesome because those particular wood pieces are not going to move out of place. So you won't get sagging in your mattress, or maybe some vulnerability on where the particular mattress is. And if your kids like to jump on the bed, this is definitely something you want to look at or look for when you come to that one piece solid wood. And you can see it's great. These are the slats here inside of this box. Then take it out. And then one other awesome thing is we got drawers for this. And as you can see, let me see if I can get down here. One whole, it came like this. I didn't assemble it. I did not assemble this piece. It came like this. So you also have the center beam here, but it's basically stand this up, stand the headboard up, okay, get the side rails on. This thing already stands on its own. It does not tilt at all. So this can stand, put the center beam right here, screw in your side, put in the slants, and you're practically done. Now, I don't know if the other big box store would, the assembly for that would be this simple. And I was quite surprised, quite pleased. This should take probably less than an hour for me to set up. So let's get going. I will start doing that. So the primary construction of the base frame is complete. It really did not take any time at all. It was very simple, and I don't know what to say. I mean, all I did was basically I was trying to prop it up with something, but I just soon figured out that you can bring the foot of the bed in, and this was propped against the wall, the headboard, and all you had to do was like move it in. There's a little latch here that allows you to rest the side board on the actual metal piece that I showed you earlier. So actually I was able to rest both on the actual metal piece and then just screw it in. And you saw me go through some iterations of screwing in the metal pieces, or connecting them together, because first I go on low torque and then try to make sure everything's good, kind of position it. And then I go on high torque to kind of like finalize and seal it. And I do one last hand just to make sure that it's tight enough, and then we're good. So right now what we're going to do is start to put in the wooden slats and screw those in. So as you can see there, the setup of the bed was actually not hard at all. Once I figured out how to actually manage the two sides and get it to latch onto the metal pieces, then everything went very smoothly. It looks great so far, and it was probably much easier to be a two-man job, but as you can see, I was able to accomplish it with just myself. And the bed looks great. Let me see if I can, let's see here. Let me give you sort of a rundown on some of the things. When you saw me put in the slats, I basically did two at a time. You can put them all, and then you do that just because it was so close to the wall that I ended up wanting to get inside of the bed and then put in the other screws on the right side of the bed. Which, you know, however you want to do it, as long as they're screwed in, you're fine. Let me turn the camera around, and you can, I'll give you a final preview of how the bed looks. Alright, so this is the finished bed. Here is the headboard, and then the slats there, all screwed in. You can see that it is very well constructed. You got this center beam here that kind of holds all the slats together. I have not switched or reversed the knobs. If you can see here, let me get here. They actually put the knob on the inside, which is actually pretty normal, just because due to shipping they don't want this knob to kind of break off. So it's as easy as just unscrewing this and then reversing it and putting the knob on the front. So it's really easy to do. I just didn't make that finishing touch yet or finish that step, but it's pretty intuitive. Overall, I'm liking the bed so far. I hope my daughter also likes it. And that will conclude this this video. I'm hoping you like this edition of Tony Tidbits. This is actually my first video. And if you want to get some other tidbits about DIY or some technology things, maybe I get my Pixel 4 XL today, so I'll probably be doing an unboxing video of that, and sort of maybe in a couple more weeks give a review of the Pixel 4 XL. But this is the first video of Tony's Tidbits. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and until next time.